Dumela. Welcome back to Setswana class. Today I'll be teaching you guys few things that you should take into consideration when learning Setswana. Uh, Before I continue, let me add the text. I know I was gonna record this video, edit it nicely, but then I decided, you know what, let me just stick with what I know. So this is what we are going to be doing. So I'll be teaching you guys few words that if you speak English, you might think they sound a certain way, but they definitely don't sound like how you think they sound, if that makes sense. So we have GO here. Oh, trying to select different color. Well, GO in English will just say go, right? That's how the English language goes with that one. This is go. It's pixelated. Let's see. 24. So when you are reading Setswana, that is not go. It does not sound like go, and no anywhere in Setswana will this sound like go. So this G is going to be rolled or scraped. So the G sounds like and with an O it's gonna sound like ho, ho, ho. This is ho. And I'm saying this because there is an athlete that if you have not heard of, you are going to hear of in recent years to come, because he's still young and upcoming, and a lot of commentators struggle, or they just go along and call this name Te Bo Go. That is totally wrong, okay? That is so wrong. Maybe I should also write his surname because that's also always get confused how people say it. Okay, so this is the athlete from Botswana that if you have not heard of, you are going to hear of in recent years to come. Okay, it's really upcoming, super fast, the next Usain Bolt of the world. Keep an eye on him. Keep your ears listen to this name. Okay, if you hear people say Te Bo Go Le Teile, just know that they are trying to call this guy's name, and his name is Te Bo Ho. Tebogo Litsile. Tebogo Litsile. I wish I could pull his picture. Maybe I can try. You know what? No. You'll see him when you see him, okay? Tebogo Litsile. So the T also does not sound like T like how it sounds in English. So the T in Setswana sounds like with E like that is Tebogo. Li. The T here with an S sounds like Tebogo Litsile. Tebogo Litsile. That's the athlete's name. Another athlete that you might know, I think she's retired now. These are Setswana names that you should know of and how they sound. Okay. You will be a pro after this lesson. If you have been paying attention to athlete, with which Botswana is, well, like they're really good. I think I'll give them that. It's not Amatle, it's not Monchu, it's Ama Ntle. Remember the T? Amantle. With an L, the T has like a weird click on the side of your teeth here. You say amantle. So like your tongue does this thing at the end of your jaw that has that sound. Amantle. Mo'ntu. Mo'ntu. Remember the T again with TS? But now the TS has HO, so it's amantle muntu. Amantle muntu. That's the name of the athlete, and I think that's what people always struggle with. Remember, this is not go, it's ho. And this is r. You have to roll those letters, okay? So yeah, I think that was the shortest. Let me go again. Let me just another athlete from Botswana that you might hear of or you've heard of. The Isaac is obviously in English, and Makwala. Makwala, not kwa, not like this K does not, KW does not go like quiet. No, it's kwa, like KWA sounds like kwa. Makwala, kwa. And I can also teach you while we are here this word kwa, which means there. You're going to use it a lot if you are speaking Setswana. Kwa, there. So it's makwala, not makwa, not kwa. So it's kwala, kwa, kwa. Yeah, there's this weird sounds that you have to like learn to speak Setswana properly. But with all that being said, if you are in Botswana and you mispronounce somebody's name, don't get nervous. People don't get offended because like I'm in the USA right now. I'm disclosing my location. So my name is really difficult for people to pronounce. So they always very nervous to like just try my name. You know, they always say like excuses like, I cannot say your name, please, is there any other way we can address you? You know what I mean? So when you're in Botswana, just if you see a name, just go ahead and call it. People won't be offended. It's actually, people love that. So now that's another point you should consider when you're going to Botswana, or if you're in Botswana. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was all over the place, but I hope you learned something. I'll see you guys on the other side. Go feta le re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Go sia. Salang sentle.